Couldn't help but notice the garden seems to be expanding again this year.
I have no bra.
Yeah. Well, nobody would have known from this distance. What's going on? Why?
Why what?
Why must you take part of my lawn every year?
I'm not. It's easier to not. The weeds grow in, so it's easier to pull them out if I just top dress it with mulch, and that way it's a cleaner line, and you can see the edge of the rocks better.
What do you think, Blake? I think she got busted. Stealing more acreage. So what is this? What are you doing with this garden?
I'm edging it and mulching it.
Would you like to take up grass?
Are you taking anything, adding anything this year to it?
Probably.
Looks like she's ready to blow some bubbles. So I did hear some talk earlier, Blake, about a possible walkway in between this.
Yes, I am adding that. I took plants out last
I'm not doing that.
Well, I don't recall you ever doing much of any
Hey,
of
look
the
at you
work
just
here.
put a rock and it fell all the way down.
What's your problem?
Blake, already trying to get out of doing manual labor around here.
Hey Blake, I got a project for you. I need this birdhouse fence to come off. I need you to get some wire clippers and take it off.
No way. It's hot out.
It's hot out. It's the first nice day in about a month. Time to get out there and do some Minecrafting with a shovel.
That's right.
Looks beautiful. Looks great. Now pick up the yard.
What?
Where's your son when you need him? Here, I'll help her out.
Oh, what's the matter? You feel guilty because I'm kicking your butt?
No, I didn't want you to say I didn't help you.
Yeah. Don't worry.
See, folks, gardening is not easy.
Good thing I have a husband.
Exactly. Nice job. Would you like to explain what happened to our pine tree over there?
Yes, it got a fungus and died all the way up to the tip, so I gave it a haircut.
It's actually doing pretty good, though.
And it's not continuing to die.
Still alive and kicking. We'll have to show you what it used to look like before the
Horrible.
fungi.
It was either give it a haircut or take it out.
So what do you have left to do with this garden?
You have to fill barrels of mulch so I can put it down.
So basically I have to go and get about 12 wheelbarrow fulls
12 at least. This right here is
of
full.
mulch.
So I would say about 15.
15. See, you guys don't see that behind the scenes stuff.
Oh my God, you haven't done anything this year yet.
I'm basically the stunt man. I come out and I do all the hard
No,
stuff.
you're the cameraman who yaps his trap about all the hard work that his wife has to do.
Well,
Huh?
at least I notice it.
Yes, you notice it. How about helping?
Who would film? We're trying to produce a garden show here. Come on.
Producing anything but a beautiful garden. You have the problem.
And you might want to call your dressing room because pajamas and gardening.
We're in the middle of a pandemic and a mandated quarantine. I don't give a crap.
Yeah, well,
The toads don't care.
might want to get a few skimpy outfits or something. Some Daisy Dukes.
The only way you're going to see those is if you help me.
Well, I may just grab a shovel immediately. We'll see you when it's done, folks. And we'll see the Daisy Dukes, hopefully. Beautiful. beautiful. If you can get away from the flies. Smells great. How's the back feeling?
Pretty shitty.
Through the magic of television and the fact that her husband is a master mulcher, we are almost complete with this garden. Looks great, honey.
Thank you.
1/100th of an acre less of lawn for me to mow, but I'm sure your beautiful flowers will make up for it.
We'll survive.
Well worth all the labor I put in today. Ah.
Yeah.
Well, that's gonna do it for this episode of Good Gardening with Kids. Till next time.